What's going on, guys? Hilltown here. Today we're doing the plugs on the wife's 2010 Jeep Liberty. So this Liberty has 3 ignition coils. Each coil serves 2 cylinders. So on the left bank of the engine here, you got to take the ignition coils off to access the plugs. On the right bank, you don't need to do that. But it's a really simple job. So what you're going to need is a 10mm socket and an extension, and we're going to take these 3 coils out. And these just pop off. Sometimes it can be really stuck on here. There you go. Just give them a good yank without breaking anything and they'll come out. Now, if they don't come right out, I find it helpful to swear a lot, and sometimes that that helps get them out. Let's see. Boy, that's a bugger. If you find a safe pry location, just put a little pressure under that, and it'll pop right up. There you go. See the top of the plug way down there? Looks worse than it is. They're actually pretty easy to get out. So what you need is a 5/8 inch spark plug socket and a long extension. I don't have my air compressor out here today, but it'd be a good idea to blow that out before you take the plugs out so you don't get debris down in there. Now you don't need to do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the air intake off just to give you a better vantage point on the passenger side. Yeah, just get this out of the way. So here's the passenger side. You'll notice there's no coils like I talked about before. So you just pull the spark plug boot off like you would the old-fashioned way and change the plug. Picked up my spark plugs on Amazon. NGK V-Power. Price $470 each, total $28.20. Let's check the gap on these. Gap's supposed to be 43 thousandths. I'm blind as a bat, so bear with me here. So these didn't come gapped, probably because they fit multiple applications. So I'm going to go ahead and gap these and I'll be right back with you. So full disclaimer here, normally I'd put dielectric grease on the inside of these boots, just a small dab on the end of a Q-tip, go around in a circular motion inside the end of these boots and put it back together. In a future video I'm going to be doing the coils and the wires, so I'm not going to bother doing that. And let's put it back together. Now, let's get the plugs in on the other side. There'll be no mistaking when you get that boot on there. You'll hear it pop. There it goes. Let's get the air intake back on. Alright guys, that wraps it up. Really appreciate you watching. I encourage you to like and subscribe if you like this sort of thing, and we'll see you next time.